DJI is once again proving why it's the leader in drone innovation. Their recent release, the DJI Flip, has already turned heads with its foldable design and focus on portability. But there's a new wave of excitement building. Rumors are circulating about the DJI NEO 2, a potential game changer for drone enthusiasts in 2025. Today, we're unpacking everything we know and what we hope to see in this highly anticipated model. The NEO 2 is rumored to be DJI's next step in dominating the mid-range drone market. If you're familiar with the original NEO, you'll know it made a name for itself by delivering exceptional performance, advanced features, and great value. Now, with whispers of the NEO 2 on the horizon, the buzz is all about how DJI plans to improve on an already fantastic product. The source of this excitement? Jasper Ellens, a well-known and highly reliable figure in the drone community. He's been spot on with predictions in the past, including leaks about DJI's A3S goggles and the N3. According to Ellens, the NEO 2 could launch later this year, and if his track record is anything to go by, this could be one of the most exciting releases we've seen from DJI in a while. So what's all the hype about? Let's break it down. The original NEO already hit the sweet spot for mid-range drones, offering a mix of advanced features and affordability. If the NEO 2 follows in its footsteps, we could be looking at some incredible upgrades. First, let's talk about performance. The NEO 2 is rumored to feature an upgraded camera system. Think sharper resolution and better sensors for capturing stunning aerial shots. Whether you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or just love capturing breathtaking landscapes, this could be a major selling point. Next, improved flight stability could make your footage smoother than ever, even in challenging conditions. DJI has always been known for its rock-solid stabilization, but the NEO 2 might take it to the next level. Battery life is another area where we might see big improvements. Longer flight times mean more opportunities to explore, shoot, and create without constantly worrying about recharging. And then there's the software. AI-powered features like advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent tracking could make flying easier and more intuitive. Imagine being able to focus entirely on your creativity.
Safe line. Take off.
Okay.
Whether it's following you during action shots or navigating tricky environments. But here's the thing, DJI isn't just stopping at the NEO 2. Their 2025 lineup looks like it's going to be packed with options for every kind of user. The DJI Flip, for example, is perfect for casual flyers and travelers who need something lightweight and portable. On the other end of the spectrum, we're hearing rumors about the Mavic 4 series, which could push professional drone technology to new heights with features like higher resolution cameras and enhanced AI capabilities. And let's not forget the Mini 5. This rumored entry-level drone could be a fantastic option for beginners or anyone looking for an affordable way to get into drone flying. According to leaks, the Mini 5 might launch alongside the NEO 2, an unusual move for DJI, which usually spaces out its product releases. If true, this could make late 2025 a huge moment for drone enthusiasts. So the big question is, should you wait for the NEO 2 or go with the current NEO? It really depends on your needs. The NEO is already a fantastic mid-range drone with great performance and advanced features. If you're looking for something reliable right now, it's a solid choice. But if you're the kind of person who loves having the latest tech and can't resist a potential upgrade, waiting for the NEO 2 might be worth it. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for DJI and drone enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or a professional, there's something in their lineup for you. The NEO 2, if it delivers on the rumors, could redefine what's possible in the mid-range category, giving users a perfect balance of performance, functionality, and affordability. What are you most excited to see in the NEO 2? Is it the improved camera, the smarter AI features, or maybe the longer battery life? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on drones, action cameras, and everything in between. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.